Hello, this is a free lesson with Fat Cat Books with me, Mike. Today we're going to do bossy R, also called R-controlled vowels. So what is bossy R? Bossy R is when we place one R in front of the vowel to change the sound of those two letters. So what are the vowels? The vowels are a, I, or we will place one R in front of the vowel to change the sound of those two letters. The first one, AR, this makes the sound R, R, like car and park. The next one is ER. ER makes the sound like farmer and under. The next one also makes the same sound, IR. Like bird and stir. OR makes a different sound. The sound is or, like short and storm. OR can also make the sound as well, but only when it is at the end of the word, like doctor, doctor, and tractor. UR also makes sound, like turn and burning. Okay, let's look at all of those again. So we have AR, R, car, park. ER, farmer, under, IR, stir, bird, OR, short, storm, or. And OR again, but this time doctor, tractor. And last one, UR, turn, burning, Okay, that's it. Thank you very much for listening. Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video. For more free lessons like this, please follow my Facebook page at Fat Cat English Books, or my Instagram at Fat Cat Books, or my YouTube at Fat Cat Books again. Okay, see you later. See you next time. Hi, my name is Mike and this is a free lesson with Fat Cat Books. Today we're going to do the sound or OO sound, which is two O's. The sound is short such as book, 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 and wood, wood. The other two O's is OO, which we call long OO, such as food, food, and moon, moon. But the long vowel U is not the OO sound, so don't get it confused. Some Americans will often say long vowel U as an OO sound, such as tuna, like that, tuna, or duty, such as that guard is on duty. But that is not the correct pronunciation in Britain. It needs to be a long vowel U sound, so U, such as tuna, tuna, so not tuna, tuna, and duty, duty, not duty. That's the American pronunciation. Okay, so let's look at those again. So we've got the short book and wood, and the long OO. food. And moon. Okay, that's it. Thank you for listening. Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video. For more free lessons like this, please follow my Facebook page at Fat Cat English Books, or my Instagram at Fat Cat Books, or my YouTube at Fat Cat Books again. Okay, see you later. See you next time. Hello, my name is Mike and this is a free lesson with Fat Cat Books. Today we're looking at the sound that E-A-R make. The most common sound that E-A-R will make is ear sound, like your ear, ear. The other words that can sound like ear are clear, ear, clear. Near, ear, near. New year, new year, new year. Here, ear, here. Beard, ear, beard. And last one, deer, ear, deer. So E-A-R can make another two sounds. The other sound it can make is air sound, like where, air, where. Air, bear. And last one, pear, air, pear. Okay, and the last sound that E-A-R can make is sound, like learn, learn. Search, search. Earth, earth. And last one, pearl, pearl. Okay, let's look at all of those again. So the most common sound, ear, clear, near, new year, here, beard, deer. Okay, and the next sound is air. Where, bear, and pear. And the last sound is sound. Learn, search, earth, and last one, pearl. Okay, that's it. Goodbye. See you next time. Hello, my name is Mike and this is a free lesson with Fat Cat Books. Today we're going to look at O-U-G-H words. These words can make many different sounds. The first one we're going to look at is off. The O-U-G-H will make the sound off. This is the word cough. Like that. Cough. Off. The next one is uff. O-U-G-H will make uff sound. Like rough. Uff. Rough. And enough. 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 The next one is O sound. The O-U-G-H will make long vowel O sound. Like although. Although. And dough. Dough. And the same for donut. Nut. Donut. The last one makes OR sound. O-U-G-H will make OR sound for past tense verbs. So think becomes thought. Th-or-t, thought. Brought is the past tense of bring. Brought, brought. And bought is the past tense of buy. Bought, bought. Okay, let's look at all of those again. So the first one is off, cough, uff, rough, enough, oh, although, dough, donut, and or, thought, brought, bought. Okay, that's it. Goodbye. Hello, my name is Mike and this is a free lesson with Fat Cat Books. Today we're going to look at ough sound. LE will make the sound ough on the end of a word, like apple. We do not say the E, we just make the sound of the letter L. Ough, apple, ankle, turtle, and little. One important thing to remember about LE is it will act like magic E. Magic E is when we change the sound of the vowel A, I, O, or U to make its name using an E. Like the word smile. Smile has an I and then a letter that is not a vowel, L, and then we have the magic E. The E will change the I from I sound to I sound, its name. S-M-I-L, smile, smile. The same happens in sail. Sail has the letter A. Next we have a letter that is not a vowel, L, and then E. The E will change the sound of the A from A to its name, A. S-A-L, sail. However, LE will act like magic E too, but we will still say ough. It's like maple syrup. We have an A, and then we have a letter that is not a vowel, P, and then we have ough, the LE. The LE will change the sound of A from A to its name, A. M-A-P-L, maple, maple, maple syrup. The same happens in table. We have an A, a letter that is not a vowel, B, and LE, ough. The ough will change the sound of A from A to its name, A, T-A-B-L, table. Let's look at apple. Apple has two letters between A and the LE, so it doesn't change the sound of the vowel. Apple, apple. Table only has one letter between the vowel and LE, so we must change the sound of the vowel. T-A-B-L, table. Okay, let's look at all of those again. So we have apple, ankle, turtle, little, maple syrup, and last one, table. Okay, thank you. Goodbye. Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video. For more lessons like this, please follow my Facebook page at Fat Cat English Books or my Instagram @FatCatBooks. You can also search for me on YouTube, just search Fat Cat Books. I also sell my own phonics book. This book teaches students to write, read and pronounce the letters of the alphabet. Also how to spell the first letter of the words. There is also a QR code that links to games, tutorial videos that guide your children through each page of the book, teaching them British pronunciations. For more information on how to purchase, please see the link in the description or visit my Facebook page @FatCatEnglishBooks. I'm also an English tutor. If you're interested in English lessons, please visit my Facebook page @FatCatEnglishBooks and message me directly for more information on my lessons. Okay, that's it. Goodbye. See you next time. I also have a complete comprehensive course of phonics programs. If you're left frustrated looking for a fun and engaging learn-to-read curriculum but feel overwhelmed by the choice, then look no further. My phonics programs have everything you need. I developed my phonics programs over many years of teaching and I'm excited to bring them to you. All you need to do is follow my systematic, easy to follow 4-step lessons. Each lesson builds up on the previous lesson and ensures your child will commit what they've learned to memory. I've taught thousands of kids and they're all happy readers. There's no preparation needed or major lesson planning. It covers everything you need to build up blending and decoding skills. By the end of the programs, your child will be able to read up to 80% of the words they'll encounter at their age. The programs include real teacher videos hosted by me, Teacher Mike, also original stories, 2 course books filled with colourful fun activities, which are available as printed books but currently only for selected countries, so check it out, see if it's available where you are. It also includes a huge set of printable flashcards, over 1,300 across the programs, and a virtual teacher. The virtual teacher is a very powerful yet simple tool. Children can learn to sound out and read all the words and the stories with just a press of the button. They can even do the exercises first on the virtual teacher before doing it in the book. This makes it great for the classroom, allowing activities to be done as a group. Also, all pronunciations are provided with a video of me saying the word, which makes it much easier for non-native speakers to learn how to say the word, as they can visually see how it's formed. The virtual teacher also includes fun, colourful games to make learning super fun. It runs on PowerPoint, so no installation is required, no internet is required, you can learn anytime, anywhere. So, you don't need any experience or need to do any major preparation. You don't need to install anything or log in every time you want to use it. It's an effortless program guaranteed to get your child reading. So check it out now at fatcatbooks.uk, or if you have further questions, you can contact me with the links in the description. Goodbye, see you next time. Make sure your child is reading and spelling accurately with the Fat Cat Phonics program. Make learning phonics easy and fun with the virtual teacher, which allows your child to learn along with me. Ant. Complete various exercises. Ant. And read unique stories written by myself. Ant and Fat Cat. An ant is in ink. They're designed to be easily read in the early stages of their reading and will build up your child's confidence. Also, make the end of the lesson revision fun with one of the phonics games. Ant. Download some free lessons now at fatcatbooks.uk.